This 5-minute solution will show you how to fit Resize video clips in iMovie app on iPhone. Follow these easy steps to do it. Go ahead and launch your iMovie app and tap on Movie. And now select the video that you want to fit or resize. And tap on Create Movie. And as you can see, the video clip has been imported to my iMovie app. And now let's resize this video clip. First of all, we need to select the clip in our timeline. So tap on this clip in timeline to select this. Once the clip selected, at the top right corner, you will get this magnifying glass icon. Tap on it. Now, to zoom in the video clip, just pinch your two fingers like this to zoom in. You can also change the position. Once done, tap on Done. And now, here we can see the final result. And again, I'm tapping on Edit. Again, selecting the clip in my timeline. Selecting magnifying glass icon. And you can zoom out this video like this. And now, let's make this vertical video into horizontal. To make it landscape, again select the clip in timeline. And now all you have to need just rotate your finger to make the video landscape mode. Tap on Done. And here we can see the final result. So this is how we can easily fit and resize video clip in iMovie app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.